Hi guys, this is Watchabi. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. As you can see, this is the big box. Reference to this is my one as a reference. You have Omega order. It's from Omega, of course. So I think let's not waste any more time. Let's do the unboxing. Sorry, I got to hold on. I got to hold on to the phone with one hand because I don't have, but there it is. So this is Omega from the Gardens. There's Omega box itself, huge box. Let's see how it looks like. This is how it opens. Let's load it out. Ta-da! That's it. It's an Omega Speedmaster Professional. But which one did I get? Now this is where it gets interesting. So you can see the operating manual is here. There's also a very interesting book. If you buy this, it comes with which is in a special thing at the bottom, which gives you a history about the space exploration and how Omega participated in that thing. So I'll put it back in. So that's the book. So let's see, how do I open this? So let's see what else. I think that's about it. I think this is the manual. Then very thick. Velcro. So why don't you take out the Velcro? Take it open the box. Ta-da! This is what I got. I got the white Speedmaster Professional. So that's it. Very simple. I'll do a full review about this watch. Oh yeah, let's see what else is there in this watch. In this watch box. Okay, this is the I resized it. The links. This is a bag for you to keep. This is actually, sorry, this is a cloth, and oh yes, a little box, Speedmaster, as you can see there. Anyway, I'll put it back in. Yep, I think it's in. Is it in? Yep, I think it's in. Yes, it's in. Yes, it is in the box. Well, I'll do a full review and then you can have a read about it. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.